full of man problem.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chesouye, and if you didn't know, now you know. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Follow me on all socials at Chesouye. Yes, so today we're going to go Christmas shopping and stuff like that. So stay tuned. We're vlogging today, so this is a vloggy vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chesouye, and if you didn't know, now you know. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Follow me on all socials at Chesouye. Yeah, so we have vlog today from the title down below. Yeah, when this is a we have vlog where I do Christmas prep, Christmas shopping. Yeah, so like we just drive out and way to pick up Chantal. So remember for subscribe to our channel. Link in the description box. Follow her on Instagram and stuff. Okay.
It's rough.
Is this your favorite artist?
No, so Jada that. Jada. My face look big.
Big?
I get
No, because I can't top up. I don't do nothing.
so me just not like it.
So guys, I come up with this little idea. I'm gonna prank my boyfriend and tell him the police lock me up. Because true, they might do this spot search. And I'm gonna tell him, because true, I always walk with this knife to protect myself. So I'm gonna tell him, the police, them see the knife in my bag and them charge me and them all lock me up. So I'm gonna get me up. So yeah, you guys wanna see that?
Why me not buy that type of the same one? Tell us that some of the place Enquiries with them price.
You know, all the L stuff gets expensive, guys. So they don't to one, so I'm gonna bash go.
Yeah. Well, how much plate? About 2 plate?
When you go get some tin like you know them shine tin there? This is downtown Kingston. You know, Christmas, I don't want to take my phone. So, I'm not even carry my phone out of the car. I think I go careful. I'm going to try to be careful. But I'm going to go black.
So
I know the vlog like them, I never always upload them. Because there's too much footage to put together on this camera.
in a previous clip when I see what me that show now, say you were there downtown, but me could not vlog because me no want nobody take on my phone. So you will just come in a car. Which one I go my half a tree? We have got trees now.
I go after tree go get my passport and carry on with me. I'm not sure. Depends. Before the first, and I go black. And the vlog will be extremely long. So I want to watch out the vlog to the end. I'm going to vlog Christmas day. So when I'm going to get another vlog, the vlog here goes to another vlog. Yes, stay tuned Christmas vlog.
A beer traffic.
My ticket.
Hi.
My ticket is a share.
Sit down.
Yeah. How much you want them to charge for them?
A beer traffic. 12:10.
I'm so hot. Wait till I wash up.
You can't leave it water.
So guys, we just reached Mega Man. I'm not even parking. Follow parking. Like this vlog just all over the place because me just keep on forgot to say yeah me a vlog. I think we are getting a whole for stuff in a Mega Mart. Yes, no parking.
You like Benz?
I like Tesla. I love them there, Joe.
You like Chrysler?
Tesla. But none of that Jamaica. But never see one for Jamaica.
So literally just a walk in Mega Mall. Yes, it look like a full bad. Get one of them on the Chantal. I know what person me buy. One small one. Chantal gone with them stuff. Oh no, I can't see, Mom. Girl, don't buy no cake, Mommy, I go be here.
When you come here, I'm going to buy the marshmallow for the video. I'll be say 20,000 for one of the cake, yeah? But I never 20,000, $2,000.
Mommy, I go be here.
Yeah.
Sir,
It's expensive about buying it.
much fees. Much fees. No, another one here for $700. A mini waffle. Chantal. Guys. In your full no, you know from where they want the ice cream? You give me a receipt, Danny? You could have begged little more.
This never worked man not a long time.
So we'll pull up in
Tell them it's raining.
general food. Them can't say it's raining.
When it's done?
That's releasing.
Never done. One.
Camera is raining. Yeah, I'm vlog. So you have nothing to say? You have nothing to say? Eh?
No.
What, you have nothing
It's
to
Christmas. Do you have any giveaway to give to me? Oh, December is my birthday and it's Christmas. Do you have anything to give?
Your birthday gone.
Yeah, I'm still taking post birthday gifts. Yeah.
What am I engine? This one?
Oh, yes.
Oh, I mean, the supermarket? Yeah, this one. Oh, this extra bubble tea ice egg. What? So we just reach in General Foods.
wide in case God are the window and big buckle. I'm not know how far it is. How far?
So peas you understand?
Guys, look at the man. I look at the man.
We need pasta, milk, and Jamina's syrup, and broccoli and cauliflower. That's it. Hey, this? I syrup this? My honest scratch my bag up there. Oh, I'm gonna look up and see broccoli and cauliflower. My honor scratch me so bad, like I feel like I'm a germaphobe or something. Because as soon as something touch my hand, it not stop scratch me. And it is irritating. Another packet, you want it?
You see Elba?
Hi guys, it's the next day. Everything after the last clip there was just so busy. It was just such a blur. Like we spent hours to get home, traffic and whatever. Everything was just a blur. Like I couldn't come back. I didn't reach home. I was tired and I have to wake up early to come to work. So I really couldn't come back. So this is me ending off the vlog. It was a really good day. It was a fairly good day. I had fun. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more vlogs because we vlogging, okay? Stay tuned for more vlogs. Follow me on all socials at Chesouye. Follow Chantal on her, subscribe to her channel. Follow her on Instagram at excusemybeauty_23. She was vlogging as well, so you can go and check her vlog out. Her vlog will be a vlog and a prank, so stay tuned for that video. And yeah, oh, and my wig, well, you know, on my head right through like my bun, so was done by Latrines here, because I know a lot of persons will be asking. So it was done by Latrines here. And if you watch the video to this far, thanks for watching, thanks for the support, thanks for the love. Bye, see you in the next vlog.